Florida A&M University Office of Housing invested $3.5 million in renovations to modernize Palmetto South and Phase 3 on-campus housing. Palmetto South and Phase 3 apartment residences each includes 356 beds for freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. What you can expect in these new renovated apartments: new bathroom vanities, toilets, range hoods, and microwaves, new pantry doors and windows, clean ducts, air handlers, and added new bedroom furniture. There are 2,679 on-campus beds. While administrators predict that on-campus housing will be at 98 to 100% full, all the male housing slots have already been filled. Just take a look. Let's go, Rattlers! For Florida A&M University, I'm Giovanni Hampton.